Welcome to my new sort of workshop setup that I'm setting up. You'll have to excuse me. Crack on me. Well, hello and welcome everybody. Jim here. I've been hard at work this morning already, doing a couple of jobs out and about. I just want to talk. Obviously, this is my new sort of setup that is in a work in progress, and I'm going to be filming this progress as it happens. I've got my lovely hoist, big hoist here, and another hoist down there as well. New wheel balancer. Is really good. I've been doing a couple of car tyres, obviously been doing a lot of motorcycle ones as well. Just setting up the shelving, a trailer here with the tyre machine in it. So it's going to be a pretty good setup once it's all ready to go, but it's probably going to be a while off. But I'm looking forward to it, guys, and I'm going to try and keep you all up to date. Hopefully when all this is set up, there's going to be a lot more videos to come. Hoping to do videos that are also not motorcycle related, but obviously with all this, there's going to be a lot of motorcycle stuff. Cheers, and we'll talk soon. So there you have it, guys. A bit of inside information. I'm really excited about this little workspace setup because I do plan on having some cameras permanently set up where it's going to be a lot easier to record new content and get some real solid stuff out there. I also want to do a podcast, which is largely the setup that you're seeing here, but unfortunately at the moment in this state, in this country, which is Australia, we're on lockdown and there's no chance at the moment of having somebody opposite me to interview. But I do have a lot of friends in the motorcycle industry here with some really good insight and excellent knowledge on particular subjects within the technical field of motorcycles, so I'm looking forward to having them here and discussing that with them. So that should be exciting, and we're also discussing other things. So over the years I've had a few different YouTube channels, nothing terribly exciting, but I do want to sort of bring all that stuff together. So I like to review products that I buy, and I want to review different products that I purchase, and not just motorcycle stuff. And I would also like the podcast to occasionally be about different subjects, but motorcycles, and in particular motorcycle maintenance, is what I do for a living, and so that's going to be my primary focus for this channel. But I'm excited for things to come, guys. We're going to have a really good setup. It should be smooth sailing. I'm really excited.